How do migratory birds fly thousands of miles with stunning accuracy without GPS or maps? They use Earth's magnetic field, sensing it like an internal compass. Some species may even see magnetic fields thanks to special proteins in their eyes. They also navigate using the sun by day and stars by night, reading the sky like a celestial map. On top of that, they recognize landmarks, mountains, rivers, coastlines, and some even follow scent trails in the air. No gadgets, no maps, just instinct, biology, and millions of years of evolution guiding them home.